This is how to remove a sitemap in Google Search Console. From your Search Console dashboard, select a property, then scroll down and you can see here sitemaps. Then click a sitemap. So you cannot remove this, but we need to open this sitemap to remove a sitemap of posts or taxonomies or users. And if you want to specifically remove a sitemap, so just select sitemap, for instance, this taxonomies, and click this three dots and just click remove sitemap and just click remove. Or if you want to delete the whole sitemap, just click the sitemap, then click this three dots, click remove sitemap, and just click remove. And your sitemap has been removed. So this is how to remove a sitemap in Google Search Console.